Hello! 6 months ago at Solutions Now Africa, we presented to you the fascinating process of transforming cow horns into various useful products, such as kitchenware, jewelry, and home decor. But did you know that horns are not the only part of the cow that can undergo the upcycling process? My name is Renita Twine, a journalist with Solutions Now Africa. Join me as we delve into the world of Muwanguzi, who turns cow tail hair into exquisite shoe brushes. Cows hold immense significance in various aspects of Uganda's culture and commerce. Meat, milk, hides, and skin are some of the country's high-value earnings and food supply. However, Muwanguzi, an agricultural engineer, thinks that the cow's commercial value can be extended. He is working with a team of women to turn cow tail hair into eco-friendly, handmade shoe brushes. These are the first of the kind in Uganda.
It was a challenge that a shoe shiner posed to me. So this gentleman actually believed that no Ugandan could make a nice shoe brush.
Most of the shoe brushes available on the Ugandan market are made from imported plastic material. Not only this poses an environmental risk, but it raises the country's import to export ratio.
If these brushes are short-lived, that simply means we throw them away. We are killing the microorganisms in the soil. The handle that we use is wooden. Even when you throw away the brush, that handle will decompose. Then you have the bristles. Our brush is made out of the cow tail hair bristles.
Nalukenge Hadija is the head of production and supervisor in the women-only team. She explains that the process starts with the drilling of wood. With a keen eye for detail, the cow tail hair undergoes a glamorous makeover, getting snipped and trimmed into the perfect dimensions for its newfound role as bristles.
Then wetumala netusalasala obugondi obugogwa buno tumusala webati tubusalamu piece obutonotono omuntu bwasobola okukozesa mu brush. Then wamala natandika okutandika okuba brush ng'omaze ogijjuza ogigira bulungi n'ogisanirira n'ofuna amakansi n'ogilevelinga n'ogisalayo nebeera ku level emu.
When that is done, Namukwaya Bushra does the finishing.
Wano kati eba evudde ku mashini nangiwawulako n'omukono ne luno oluwawu okusobola okuggyako zino ensonda okuba nga tesala. Kati wengimaliriza ogiwawulako wano ngiteeka ku stampu tuba tuzaako vanish.
The workshop has served dozens of women in the community with livelihoods.
Nakwera omuntu zasobola zakula yasobola okukola 2, 10, 3 ofuna sente ng'omukyala nesisabiriza mwami.
Datasets at the Uganda Bureau of Statistics indicate that most startups in the country did not live up to their second birthday because of a number of challenges.
Almost the entire production process is manual, So you find that however much you want to keep the quality the same, we are different people. If we can get some tax exemptions like those foreign investors, that would be very nice.
He envisions a future Uganda liberated from plastic brushes, including toothbrushes, in just a matter of years.
There are many more brushes that are on the market. For example, makeup brushes. Ladies make up every day. That is a virgin market for us. We have the paint brushes. Students are required to go with paint brushes at school, but we are still importing them, yet we can make them.